Meditation, theta and alpha sounds. I've been learning more about the theta and alpha sounds in the power of meditation. Meditation for improving your mindset, your health, increasing your vibration levels. The powerful healing of theta sound waves can be used during meditation and/or sleep. Theta sounds have a vibration of 4 to 7 Hz, helping you to relax your body and also your mind. Theta brainwaves occur most often in sleep, but are also dominant in deep meditation. Theta is our gateway to learning, memory, and intuition. In theta, our senses are withdrawn from the external world and focused on signals originating from within. Alpha sounds. Alpha wave noises can be used to reduce stress, diminish anxiety states, and provide a strong state of relaxation. Alpha brainwaves occur during quietly flowing thoughts, but not quite a meditation state. Alpha is the power of now, being here, in the present. Alpha is the resting state of the brain. So alpha waves aid overall mental coordination, calmness, alertness, mind-body integration, and learning. Did you know sound is one of the most powerful tools for healing that is in existence? The 4 important sound waves. Delta wave, the state of sleep. Delta waves are the slowest recorded brain waves in the human beings. Theta wave, 4 to 7 Hz, the dreamy state. Theta waves are strong during internal focus, meditation, prayer, and spiritual awareness. It reflects the state between wakefulness and sleep and relates to the subconscious mind. Alpha wave, 8 to 15 Hz, restful. The alpha sound waves are fast-beating frequency. Theta sounds are slower and operate on a lower frequency. The beta wave, 16 to 31 Hz, waking. Beta waves are high-frequency, low-amplitude brainwaves that are commonly observed in an awakened state. They are involved in the conscious thought and logical thinking and tend to have a stimulating effect.